Hello, I am Lilmari from Maersk, and today I'm going to show you how to register. First, go to www.maersk.com and click on Login. Then, click on Please register here. Fill all the information on the registration form. We recommend to use your corporate email for the registry. Accept the privacy terms and click Submit. Next, check if your information is correct and press Submit to confirm. Check your email. You will receive an email about your registration. You have to wait until you get your approval message, and the estimate time is 8 hours. Then, you will receive the approval email, where you will find the link to create your password. Finally, enter the link and create your password. It must have at least 8 characters. You will receive a confirmation email. Now, you can use your new username and login. If you have any question regarding this subject or any other, please let us know. We will be more than glad to assist you. Thank you for choosing Maersk.